Hey, what's up, pilots? I finally unsoldered the motor plugs from my Air65ii Racing Edition, and I have an additional 10 seconds of battery life per pack, so yay. Wanted to give you some unintuitive FPV freestyle tips. First, unintuitive tip: getting better at the bench means getting better at freestyle. And what I mean by that is being well versed at repairing and soldering means you get more air time, which leads to you being more confident and being able to take more risk. My second tip: try learning to fly backwards and reversing every now and then. When I first started, I remember I was in my hallway at home and I was just thinking, like, it would be amazing if I could just back up a bit, because I was doing the gate challenge from iGal, and that's when I realized that flying backwards is really hard. So fast forward to now, flying backwards has given me a lot more control in my flying, and at the same time it's kind of helped me develop my spatial awareness around my drone too. Some of the coolest tricks involves flying backwards, so you may as well practice it in a controlled situation. And the last tip I have for you is it's extremely hard to see yourself getting better if all you did was kind of just focus on the session at hand. So the only way you're going to be able to see yourself get better is if you look back on your progress. I had this realization when I was watching my first playground video from 11 months ago, and then I realized, like, holy crap, I am so much better. If you go back and watch the video, maybe I'll link it in the description, but you'll see that I couldn't even do the largest gaps ever on my, back then, my Flylens 85. I was so wobbly going into the gaps themselves, and I couldn't even pull off a split S on a gap for the life of me. So, fast forward to today and I'm just zipping about and pulling off like comboing tricks back then. This would have been what I was aiming for. So, in order to see yourself improve, you sometimes gotta look backwards. Alright, well, those are the quick tips that I got for you today. Hope you enjoy the flight. Take care and see you in the next one. Later.